Hi, welcome to this video. Want to double your reach, engagement, and follower count on Instagram overnight? You need to stop posting alone and start leveraging that Instagram collabs feature. Instagram collaboration or collabs allow you to co-author a reel or feed post with another user, ensuring the content appears on both profiles simultaneously, sharing views, likes, and comments. Right? So here's a step-by-step guide on how to collaborate on Instagram. Now, start a post. So hit the plus button at the top left, excuse me. And let's say I'm gonna create a new post. So hit the new post, add audio, text, overlay, filter, whatever. Continue. And before you post, after you added the caption, scheduled your reel, added location and everything, hit tag people. Right? All you gotta do is just press invite collaborators. Now search for the username of the account you want to collaborate with and select them. Right? Click done and hit share the post. Now the other user will receive a notification in their DMs, which they must review and accept for the post to appear on their profile. Note, you can add up to 5 collaborators per post. So basically that's it. So tips for success: pick the right partner, agree on goals, check analytics. Both collaborators can view the shared insights by going to the post and clicking view insights. If you don't know where, I'm going to show it to you here. I'm going to hit my profile, the bottom right, go to my post, hit view insight here, just below. You can see the engagement here, the views, the profile visit, etc. So the key takeaway here is the best way to start is to start with the pain point your audience is dealing with in your shared content to boost engagement. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps. See you in the next one.